Hello! In this video I will show you how to install ChatGPT Widget on VIVO V50e. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in Wallin AI and click search, and then click install. Now click open, and then click on this button to skip introduction and click not now. Now click open permissions and then click on AI assistant and click here to allow this app to display over other apps, and then you have to go back and click back again. Now click start, and as you can see right here there is my ChatGPT widget, and I can open him and I can tell him to do something. And as you can see, he responded. And if you want to remove him from your screen, simply drag him into the X icon in the middle. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.